A routine traffic stop quickly escalates after officers pull over a vehicle with a suspiciously covered license plate. What starts as a simple equipment violation turns into a major arrest after officers discover the driver's license status is flagged in the system. Legally, officers are allowed to initiate the stop due to the obstructed plate and investigate the driver's status. Once the system returns a suspended license, they gain lawful grounds to issue citations and detain the driver if he refuses to comply.
Hello. Hi, how are you?
Deputies conducted a traffic stop after noticing 2 violations: an obstructed tag and a license flagged as suspended in the system. The driver insists he is fully legal and disputes the database information. However, officers rely on official DMV records, which gives them legal authority to proceed with citations and potential arrest if he refuses compliance.
Good, how are you?
Good.
My name's Deputy Mendes, Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. The reason I pulled you over for 2 reasons. Are you marked?
Yeah.
Okay, license is suspended. Okay. Number 2, the tag cover around surrounding your tag. That's the second reason.
What do you mean?
Your license is suspended.
How is it suspended?
I don't know. I need your license, registration, insurance, please. I have to check that out. You're the registered owner, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Here's this. I
Thank
gotta
you.
grab it here.
All right, just hang tight, okay? All right, sir, do me a favor, step out of the vehicle for me. You can leave all your stuff there. Just come back here. All right, so listen up. So your license suspended because of your insurance. It's been
My
suspended.
insurance is valid. There was less than 24 hours. My insurance is valid. I paid my insurance card. I paid my insurance bill.
Okay, I'm just letting you know on the system is showing suspended since July because of last year because of no insurance. Okay, now if you have insurance now, I don't know, but they suspended it in July. Okay.
At this point, officers are acting fully within legal authority. A suspended license hit in the system gives them probable cause to issue citations and further investigate, even if the driver disputes it.
So with that being said, I'm not taking you to jail. I'm just giving you a court date, a criminal citation, okay? All right, so you get a citation for license being suspended, have your license while being suspended, the registration insurance, okay? Now I'm going to explain to you. You're going to have a court date. Fix all that. Get your license reinstated. Get your insurance, get your registration, bring it to court. And if you get all that and bring it to court, most likely the judge will throw it out. Most likely. I cannot tell you they will, but it's a possibility if you come with everything all good, okay? So with that being said, I just need you to sign here what you're signing not a minute ago. You're signing saying you're going to show up to court. Your court dates, I have them right here. I'll explain to you once you sign over here, okay? And also with that being said, the state of Florida has a cease tag order on your tag, so I'm going to be taking your tag with me, okay?
What do you mean, man?
Watch out.
I'm legit. I'm legit. I have a license, registration, and insurance. I am completely legit.
Okay,
I'm telling
I'm
you the truth.
explaining to you. I'm not saying that you're lying, but I'm letting you know that the system in the state of Florida is showing you suspended.
Well, can we go over the system together? Because I was just trying to check that.
There's nothing I could do to help you with this, sir. So I just need you to sign right here.
Well, dude, I can't have you take my tag. What are you talking about?
You can't drive, sir.
Huh?
You can't drive. All right,
No, I need you to call your officer right now. Your manager right now. I need you to call your manager because I am legal. Everything is legal with me.
You want a supervisor? Is that what you want?
Yeah, I want a
I'm going to ask you before I call a supervisor, are you going to sign the citations?
Why should I sign the citations?
I'm letting you know, if you don't sign the citations, you're going to jail.
Legally, officers are not required to resolve DMV discrepancies on scene. As long as the system shows a suspension, they can proceed with enforcement, even if the driver believes it's an error.
So are you going to sign before I call my son? That way I can let them know 2 things at one time. You want to
Yeah,
speak
but
to them?
you're lying to me right now. Or no, you may not be lying to me, officer. What you're receiving is information that may be not legit. I could call my insurance company right now and let you know that I have insurance.
I'm not saying that you don't have insurance, but they suspended. There might have been a time that you didn't have, and it's suspended. I don't know. I don't work for the DMV. I don't work for the insurance. I don't work for Tallahassee. I'm letting you know in the state of Florida system that I have. You are suspended since July. Okay, now.
But that's bullshit, because then I would have got something in the mail stating that I had no car insurance. Okay. My car insurance people would not insure me if I was suspended. They have been insuring me all this time. They contact DMV, the insurance company contacts DMV when a person is suspended from their license. That means that they're non-valid or they are suspended. They never contacted DMV.
Okay, I understand what you're telling me, sir, but I'm letting you know that on the system you're suspended. So
Well,
I
check-
need from you,
Can you check another system?
No, the system. We only have one system we go by. Okay. So with that being said, I need you to sign here. Okay. That's just saying that you're gonna show up to court. I need your fingerprint. I'm gonna take that tag with me. I need to call somebody to come pick the vehicle and you up because you cannot drive. Sir?
Just hold on. Because if I'm legal, okay, which I'm telling you that I'm legal, okay, so my driver's license is legal, my tag is legal. Why were you saying that my tag's not legal?
I never said it's not legal.
You said the thing around the tag is not
Okay,
legal.
what I said, that's a traffic infraction. Okay, you cannot have anything around the tag touching any letters or numbers. You see where it's touching the Sunshine State, the My Florida, you cannot have it touching any numbers or letters, okay? All right, I'm not giving you a citation for that. I'm just telling you that's one of the reasons I pulled you over, sir.
All
okay,
right.
I'm not giving you, but I do have a cease tag order from the state of Florida to take your tag. So I will be taking your tag.
Well, show me where you have that.
It's on my system, sir.
Can I see it?
No, sir.
Why?
Because I'm not required to show you that. Okay, I'm treating you with the most up respect. All I'm asking you is to sign this, give me a thumbprint, I'm gonna take your tag, and then you're gonna have to call somebody to come pick you in the vehicle up. Sir, we're not gonna stand here all day.
Can I go show you my insurance?
Right now, no, that's not gonna matter. I'm telling
Well, I
you.
want your supervisor that, because what you're doing to me is illegal, bro.
Once the driver refuses lawful commands and obstructs the process, officers gain legal justification to escalate enforcement. This is where noncompliance turns a traffic stop into a custodial situation.
You're going against my rights as a United States American citizen. Hold on. You are, because you threatened to fucking take me away and arrest me. That was number one. Number two, you're saying that I am not legit on the road, and I'm telling you that I am. So that's two infractions that you're going against me, against my rights as a United States American citizen.
My question to you.
I want your supervisor here so I can explain these things to him.
Yes, I will call the supervisor, okay? Are you going to sign the citations? Traffic 13 and traffic 12, can you be 51 Sir, come here. Listen, sir. Sir, come here.
Give me my keys.
No, put your hand behind your back. No, listen, don't stop. Put your hand behind your back.
No, you're not going to arrest me, bro.
Put your hand behind your back.
I'm not illegal. I'm not illegal.
Don't stop.
All right, calm down. Calm down, bro. Just calm down.
Get your hand behind your
What
back.
you're doing is trespassing me. You're trespassing.
Get your hand behind your back. Give me your hand. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
Dude, you could go to you could get in trouble for this. You could go in trouble for this.
Give me your hand.
Do you realize this?
Give me your hand.
Do you realize?
Put your hand behind your back.
You could get in trouble for this.
Give me.
Officer, you could get in trouble. You could get in trouble for this.
Give me your hand now. Put your hand behind your back.
You could get in trouble for
Put
this.
your hand behind your back.
I'm legal, bro. I'm
Put
legal.
your hand behind your back.
I'm legal.
Put your hand behind your back. Motherfucker, put your hand behind your back. Put your hand. Put your hand behind your back. Oh, bullshit. Let go of your hand.
Oh, yeah.
Let go of your hand.
I'm not touching myself. Everything's fine.
Got it. Roll over. Stand up.
Can you get my glasses, please? Officer? My glasses flew off my head. Can you please?
Sit inside.
All right, all right.
Hold on, hold on. Sit inside.
The incident ends with multiple charges including resisting arrest with violence, battery on law enforcement, driving with a suspended license. What began as a routine traffic stop for a covered license plate quickly escalated due to a suspended license status and refusal to comply with lawful orders. Even though the driver strongly disputed the system's accuracy, officers are required to act on official state records during roadside enforcement. The situation ultimately ended in arrest after resistance during detention.